Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can customize or personalize the tone of replies and responses you receive from Qwen AI in your conversations. So let us guide you through this. So guys, head over to your account on Qwen AI and click into your profile icon in the bottom left, choose settings here. Next, what you want to do is navigate to personalization on the left hand side. And here next to customize Qwen, click into settings. And here you guys go through that setup, right? So what you want to do is you may, for example, provide a nickname so that Qwen may call you like this using that nickname in your conversations. Then guys, what you want to do also is, for example, add additional information. Background, for example, you would like Qwen AI to use as context in your conversations. You will have up to 500 characters for that. Like, I don't know, for example, your education or your hobbies and so on and so forth. And here guys, below what you want to do is you can go through these replies, through that reply customization and choose, for example, a tone like Socratic or formal and so on and so forth. I will go with concise, which means short, direct, to the point. Right, and here at the bottom, you can also give Qwen AI a specific instruction. For example, I don't know, use figures of speech or humor and so on and so forth. Be poetic or be concise. And provide these additional instructions here. And decide whether you'd like to enable it in the new chat or not. And last but not least, click into save to save these changes, right? So you may use them in your future conversations here on Qwen AI, sorry. That's it guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.